I know you guys seen Lumintop's version of this, but here's my version. My friend was over, so I figured I'd use his SUV as a standard gauge to how high this is, so. And now we could get on with the unboxing. Still see there's a little bit of snow and wetness on there. Let's go ahead and check this out. Oh, would you look at that? The O-ring was not in place. Just kidding. I did elect for the optional battery, so yeah, the batteries were being thrown around as well, as you can see there. But they weren't kidding around. I mean, they did a great job on the packaging. I mean, the cells are shipped with protection over them, so you kind of got to remove the label and just be mindful of the residue. Get that off so you have perfect contact. These carriers are cleverly routed in parallel, so I've only removed the stickers from here. I'm going to keep this one on and just go ahead and give it a quick test right now. And yes, that's Menker's MK35 as a reference point. Go ahead and fire her up. Now obviously, I'm at too close a distance for this beam to fully form. So, not a good indication, but suffice to say, a in-depth review will be coming in the future. Thanks for watching.